Hi, my name is Dr. Amala Luncheon, and I am an assistant professor here in the College of Business at Eastern New Mexico University. I'm going to take some time to tell you 5 things that you should know about the College of Business. So the first thing is we are actually switching to 8-week courses. So most of our 16-week courses, as you might know them, are now going to be condensed into 8-week courses. Some of them are already so, but now we're working towards fall 2025, getting a lot more of them to be on that 8-week track. What does that help with? So essentially it gives students the opportunity to catch a course either in the first half of the semester or in the second half. If you figure that you're not doing well in the course and you would like to stop and then start it again, you have 2 tries every semester. So we're really excited about that because we're not compromising the quality of the program, but we're allowing you to get it in a more condensed format. And because we have a lot of non-traditional students, that works. Second thing I want to tell you is that we have a strong internship and networking program. What we'd like to do is to get our students into internship programs so that you have an opportunity to actually practice what we're learning in theory. That is actually quite instrumental, and we have a number of businesses around the country, not just in Portales or not just in Clovis, but businesses around the country that are seeking out our students because of our programming. So that's number 2. Number 3 is practical application in classes. So we want to do that because several things that we teach are actually theoretical, and sometimes you wonder, when am I ever going to apply this? We actually get to show you. So we use case studies, things that we actually pull from the news, and then our students get the opportunity to say, well, if this were me, this is how I would advise this person to run this business, or this person to have spoken to the press, etc. So there's several opportunities within the class that we can actually get to bring some real world experience to our students. Number 4. Technology and digital literacy. So technology is changing. It's probably the one thing that changes more than anything else within our program, and we keep abreast with what is actually happening. And it is important because it allows us, and it allows our students actually, to be good when they get out into the field of work. There are a number of things that we do, including, you might see the television behind me. So most of our classrooms now are equipped with these larger televisions, and it allows us to actually use that in our curriculum and provide programming that allows our students to get to see. So there's more visual stuff, there are more videos, and there are more opportunities to actually use the technology. In addition, we allow students, well, not allow, but we give students the opportunity to take classes in Excel, in Word, and other programs that are necessary, even for accounting, etc. So students come out knowing how to use these things already. And number 5, the development of soft skills. That is a major one, simply because stemming from the internships that we place our students in, some of the feedback that we get, and we're big on feedback because we want to know how we could improve our programs. One of the things that we often find, people tell us, your students know their math and they know their sciences, etc. What they lack would be soft skills. So soft skills are things like the ability to look someone in the eye and have a conversation, have a firm handshake, things like that. And so we work on those not just in the classroom, but outside by allowing our students to network with us, with persons from the outside who actually want to come speak with our classes, people who've been through our program and are working in the field now and could come back to give us some kind of hand holding so that we know where our students are going. So those soft skills, those interactions are incredibly important to us. And so now you know 5 things that you should have known about the College of Business.